I'm in sustained 30 miles per hour, gusted up to 47. Been here about 5 minutes so far. Light rain, heavier rain is moving in. It's way windier up there at the peak than down here. I was really fooled at first. Sustained, picked up to about 40. So, still lots of people up here. This low-level jet is just going to get stronger. These, I seriously cannot stand this rain hitting me for that long. I need a break here. It's just too much with all that rain. Oh my God. More sustained wind than I had during Sandy, definitely. I am loving it, but it's painful. It's really painful. Just gusted to 65! We're at sustained 50 miles an hour! Alright, now that I've collected myself a little bit, still slurring my words. I guess my jaw's got to recover from the borderline hypothermia, but okay, so time is 5:10 p.m. and we had several periods of sustained winds, 50 to 60, and peak gust was 70.9 registered, so we round that to 71. So 71 miles per hour and several other gusts, like 2 or 3 at least, that were 65 or higher. So, yeah, there was one that was... But the problem is my wind meter now keeps giving faulty signals, and I'm not sure if that's just because it was too wet or what. But I'm just letting it dry out a little bit. Trying to get a radar loop here and see where to go from here. But right now my body just has to warm up a little and recover. And I'll probably go up there one more time for another 20 minutes or so and then get out of here. Already got our excitement.